Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our Life in the Philippines. The other day, we took a little ride up to visit some of our relatives, and we stopped by a barbecue place to pick up some dinner for everybody. And I put the video together. It's pretty much uncut, but we are going to focus a little bit on food, as well as we can now see that that is something that has been well received by our subscribers. So we're going to put together a few more food videos here over time, and this be the first one. This one is a little different from what I have done before. It's pretty much, like I said, uncut. And you'll see a big variety of different kind of barbecue foods and other things. Typical Filipino stuff. So come along and let's dig into it. Yeah. Yeah, make sure to get enough for everybody.
But you ain't gazing on someone in denial, 'cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said,
how many you got?
see it in your mind, trust that.
Per peso? That's chicken intestine. And this is pork sticks. And what else do we got here? Yeah, maybe for you want hot dog? Get a hot dog. Huh? Get like 4 of them.
Mind with doubt, you wanna stay chill right now, and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to.
Stay here. Stay with us, okay?
And I said, see it in your mind, trust that. Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it.
What do you got there? What's that? Chicken butt? Huh? What is it?
Skin.
Chicken skin? Just skin? Wow. Okay. I mean,
Plato.
you just put it over here.
Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. If not, says who?
You want a couple of that? So that's chicken feet, right? Get a couple of more pork sticks.
One more pork.
Yeah. How many you got?
That's 10 pieces.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. We have all of it.
We're going to buy juice.
Why are you hiding back here?
So hot over there.
Yeah, I know it's hot. All right, so here is our dinner for tonight on the grill.
Sarap?
Have you paid already?
No, not yet.
So we don't know how much it is.
Kuya, magkano lahat yung order namin? Ha?
275. I don't know how. 275 pesos, roughly $5, maybe $6. All right, so 275. Was it good? Sarap? Thumbs up. Okay. All right. That's Baby Sane, we call him. He's not a baby anymore. He's how old is he now, hon? 4? Almost 4 years old.
This
December
December.
2nd? Yeah. All right. He lived with us for the first 2 years, right? Maybe even more. 2.5 almost. While his mom is working. Now grandma is taking care of him. All right, so this market here has quite a bit. I see they have down there. They had some fruits, yeah, and already cooked food too, like carinderia.
Tinapay, he asked.
Pinapay. No, he wants
The one cake. Cake.
the pancake. You want pancake?
Oh, go tito, go tito.
All right, come on, let's go. All right. It's called the Japanese cake. Small little pancakes here. You want? Want this? Like here? How much are they? 5 peso each? 5 peso. Okay. So give me 4 of them. Four is enough, right?
Yeah.
All right, what do you say? Thank you. Say thank you. All right, let's go. Okay, let me bring the motorcycle back here and just hold the camera.
Where's your key? Where's your key? Wait. Let's go. Yep. There you go. Yeah, we're back in motovlog.